ZTE Axon 7 and let me show you how to add fingerprint protection on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Find and select the settings. From the following list, let's choose security and location. So here you can choose the fingerprint, let me do it, under device security and choose fingerprint management. That's it. Before you add the fingerprint, you need to set up some backup method. It could be pattern, pin or password. In my case, let me use pattern. So here you can read the following instruction and you can also require pattern to start your device. In my case, let me choose no. Now let's draw your unlock pattern. Tap continue. Let's draw it again just for confirmation. And now you can register the fingerprint. Let me do it. Let's choose register. So now you have to record your fingerprint. The sensor is located at the back of the device right here. So let's just start tapping a couple of times just to save the whole fingerprint. That's it. Your fingerprint has been registered. So basically everything went well. You can tap OK. And now you can lock your device by pressing the power key. And if you would like to unlock it, let's just enter the pattern or use your fingerprint. Let me show you. So that's it, everything works just fine. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.